Now, breaking news coming in, an update on the Nithari serial and murder case of 2005. A local court has given the death sentence to both the guilty parties, Moninder Singh Pandher and his domestic help, Surinder Koli, which is guilty, in fact, in a case related to the killing of a 20-year-old woman. The court took stock of the arguments from the prosecution, who argued that scientific evidence had proved that Koli abducted, killed and raped the woman and tampered with the evidence. Quoting the documents pertaining to this case, the Indian Express says Surinder Koli dismembered the body of Pinky Sarkar with a knife and threw her head and garments behind the house. An FIR was launched after parents identified her dead daughter's clothes in April 2007. On December 29, 2006, the shocking incident of serial murder case was unearthed in Nithari village in Noida after human remains were discovered from drains and behind the bungalow of Moninder Singh Pandher. This is the 8th case in the Nithari killings, while Surinder was earlier awarded death sentence for 6 of the 16 cases filed against him. Moninder was acquitted by the Allahabad High Court but is facing trial in 3 other cases. And just to bring our viewers up to speed, an update on the Nithari serial rape and murder case of 2005, the controversial battle that the court has been dealing with. Now, a local court has given the death sentence to both the guilty parties, both Moninder Singh Pandher and his domestic help Surinder, who were accused and were guilty in a case related to the killing of a 20-year-old woman. Remember, the court had taken stock of the arguments from the prosecution, who had argued the scientific evidence that proved that Koli abducted, killed and raped the woman and also tampered with the crucial evidence. Quoting the documents pertaining to the case, the Indian Express says Surinder Koli dismembered the body of Pinky Sarkar with a knife, threw her head and garments behind the house. An FIR was lodged after the parents identified her dead, in fact their dead daughter's clothes, back in April 2007. Remember, on December 29, 2006, the shocking incident of the serial murder case was unearthed in the Nithari village in Noida after human remains were discovered just from the drains and behind the bungalow of Moninder Singh Pandher. Remember, this is the 8th case in the Nithari killings, while Surinder was awarded death sentence for 6 of the 16 cases filed against Moninder Singh, who was also acquitted by the Allahabad High Court but is facing trial in 3 other cases.